Let's look at the more exciting stuff. Coming back to our 4 building blocks, let's start with the Partner Scorecard. Just to be sure, we're viewing this page as a portal manager or as a channel account manager. Our dynamic scorecards are the basis or fundament of everything that we do. It's the landing place for you and your channel account managers, and they provide direct insights into all the capabilities and the activities and the results of your partners in this platform, and also from other already existing systems if you in your organization if you can connect to them. Before I show all the functionalities on this screen, let's first have a look at the details of a scorecard. I reckon this will help frame the possibilities a bit. As you can see, it looks pretty similar to a typical CRM-like screen, with attributes and the like providing all the details of the partner. During setup, we'll configure this with predefined attributes to kickstart the usage of this. Some key features of this screen. Firstly, you see weighted scorings over here and over here. These can be based on percentages, as in percentage of the whole group of partners, or based on scoring, a number of points per answer or per attribute. A second thing is that we have computed or dynamic values based on combinations of other values or related to time. This is very powerful for doing multidimensional scoring. We have predefined channel-related content and questionnaires about marketing and sales capabilities for you based on our years of experience. These soon will be integrated and presented as a wizard over here as well. There's an easy management and drag and drop like administration, which is pretty straightforward to learn. It provides all the activities. You can get direct access to all the activities from your partner within our platform that you want to report on. And of course, you can add them very simple. You can even see, if you go to the activities page, you can see the details and the reports of all the campaigns that he or she is running. I'll come to this part later on as well, in the next part of the demo. There are documents that you can co-work on, or to-dos, trackable to-dos that you can send out to partners here as well. And finally, we have the lead funnel over here. This can give you direct insight in all lead details, if privacy settings allow that, and can give full pipeline visibility. This, by the way, can also be done for other data sets, like projects or campaigns or service requests, whatever that you want to co-work on with your partners. We'll come to this section later on as well. Now we go back to the overview page again. You have a good idea of what the scorecard is all about. Here we go. Needs to refresh. Here you go. Back to the overview again. To utilize all these different parameters and attributes that I just showed you, we've designed multiple views or ways to help you create real-time cross-sections from which you can derive your insights about what is going on in your network and what is not. This is the scorecard view, and we use this for comparison and for inline editing. You can add, very simple, new dimensions to what it is that you want to see. Here you go. What percentage of your total revenue is software resale? And make cross-sections of all the attributes that are relevant for you. We have a Kanban view. And the Kanban view is to track progress, and every time-related attribute that we have in the system can be selected here on top, and you can see the progression on the different elements of the pipeline. And then finally, there are the customizable dashboard views. It can give you good insights into how partners are progressing over time, as you can see over here, or visual KPI reporting that are most relevant for you at the stage where you're currently at. At any time, you can just click on it and drill down to see who is doing what or not. Or create a selection of people. I can do that over here. Create a selection of people. There you go. And plan your actions. You can think about actions like share personalized content to potential partners, for example, or distribute questionnaires, or plan a meeting or set tasks, or send a trackable activation email. Here you go. To activate a partner on getting to the platform, or for example. All sorts of activities can be done directly out of this selection. It's very easy to create, also from actions point of view, it's very easy to create new landing pages for the different subsections of the scorecard, and these landing pages can be published online. Let's take a look at this one, a recruitment landing page. So this is online available via an URL, and this one is used for recruitment purposes, and it's linked to that scorecard. So as soon as someone fills in information or that's stored on the scorecard, and of course all activities are logged there as well. All Partner Pulse installations come with a couple of templates to set up and configure these pages quickly. To finalize the different views, that we have for showing data, there are also two more expert views to the data. First, there's a workflow view where you can do your automation or your content distribution. And second, there's an external connections view where you can connect to your external systems or even custom APIs where you can get directly access to. Of course, this is for application integration. All these different views are designed to give you full grip over your partner data and to power your next actions. To close this part of the demo, I would like to disclose to you that we soon introduce two very exciting new technologies, which I can't show you right now, but I can tell you a little bit about it. So if you look at the Partner Scorecard on the details, the first thing we'll introduce is a unique web crawler technology. This web crawler will search for important digital updates in your partner network. And it will do all the field research for you and find out capabilities or activities and automatically update these parameters for you. Or it can even search for new partners or potential partners based on scorecard characteristics. The second thing we'll introduce soon is some more easy planning of changes and exception notifications, which you can distribute to the right person to plan action or follow-up. Like after 30 days of this value, this should go to another level. And this will replace the workflow module that I just showed you. This concludes, let me close this one. This concludes the introduction to the key features of the scorecard and how they relate to the rest of the platform and how it acts as a cockpit of planning and tracking your partner's capabilities, the activities and results.